Ever contemplated the idea of setting forth on a thru-hike? What kind of challenges do you think might lie ahead? As a seasoned hiker, I've had my fair share of experiences on the trail. Today, I'll share some essential tips that could make your own epic thru-hiking journey a success. Imagine trekking the John Muir Trail's 210 miles or the Appalachian or Pacific Crest Trail's 2,000+ miles. The golden rule of such an adventure is simple yet crucial: never quit. A thru-hike is a test of endurance, and the challenges are many. Unrealistic expectations, homesickness, stress injuries, financial constraints, even boredom. But remember, staying persistent can help overcome these hurdles. Consider your thru-hike as a priority. In the hustle and bustle of life, a thru-hike is a refreshing escape, but it's easy to get pulled back into the vortex of everyday responsibilities. During your journey, make your hike your new job or calling. Focus your energy on the trail. Before setting foot on the trail, get fit. Physical conditioning is key, especially for newcomers. Hiking is the best training, but if snow's a problem, try snowshoeing, cross-country skiing, or even traditional cardio and strength training. Wake up early, exercise in challenging conditions to simulate the trail experience. When you start your journey, pace yourself. Avoid hiking too many miles too soon. Start with manageable distances, then gradually increase as your body adjusts. Take 0 days or rest days, especially in the beginning. Balance progress with self-care. While being flexible with your schedule, stay on track. Falling too far behind could jeopardize your journey. Avoid rigid itineraries, adapt to changing trail conditions. A well-thought-out plan is beneficial, but be prepared to deviate if necessary. Remember to hike your own hike. Every hiker has unique reasons, rules, and standards. Respect differences in environmental ethics, trail definitions, regulations, and gear choices. Embrace the diversity of the hiking community. Make friends, but stay independent. Companionship can lighten the monotony of the trail, but don't get too attached. Trail relationships might be temporary. Cherish the moments with fellow hikers, but be ready to continue your journey independently. To sum it up, a thru-hike is not just about physical endurance. It demands mental resilience, adaptability, and an appreciation for the diverse experiences each hiker brings to the trail. Look out for part 2 of this series, where I'll share more tips to enhance your thru-hiking adventure. Until then, happy trails!